cool sight today. That's a train rolling right through snow drifts on the tracks. Look at it, doesn't look real, right?
No.
This video was taken by Aiden Sturts, south of Barnum, west of Fort Dodge. And I mean, look at that, right? The power of that train blasting through all that snow. That's one of the coolest things you're going to see.
Yeah, and staying on the tracks, not having any problem. I would love to know how big some of those drifts are. I mean, they're going through some serious snow there.
Yeah. Wow, man. And we had some serious snowfall on Wednesday, that blizzard that came through.
Yeah.
It sounds like we got another round, at least of some snow coming our way tomorrow.
It was nice, though. We got a breather today with sunshine and some melting, Jason.
Oh, yeah, and if you had a drift piled up to your garage, you actually had time to scoop it away from it. But we've got more on the way, and it honestly looks like some of the heavier hit spots from the blizzard are going to be the heavier hit spots from this system as well. Winter weather advisory is in place. You can see it there in purple. So heaviest snowfall will be somewhere from around Grundy Center westward through Rockwell City all the way through around Sioux City or so. That'll be the tune of 3-5 inches. Could see locally higher amounts within there, but you get much south of there, and we're largely going to be talking rain. You can see a little bit of snow mixing into the metro right now. Some of this has had some trouble making it down to the surface as we've had dry air in place at the surface, but Holstein down through Denison, Jefferson picking up snow. More rain to the south. That's the way it's going to shake out as we head in towards the morning hours tomorrow. Stays as rain to the south and snow north of I-80. And that's going to pile up in some spots. Coming up, we'll take a look at who could see the most and when spring blasts us back into the 60s.